artificial intelligence, hear two words that either spark excitement or a bit of fear. AI is everywhere. It's changing industries, automating processes, and even helping us make decisions. But with all this hype, there's also a lot of misunderstanding. So today we're diving deep into some of the biggest AI myths out there and debunking them one by one. This is a conversation about the future, our future. Stick around, because the truth may surprise you and maybe even set your mind at ease. But first, let's get one thing straight. AI isn't what Hollywood or headlines often tell us. It's not here to take over the world. And no, it's not out to steal your job. Let's dig in. Myth 1. AI will take all our jobs. Let's tackle one of the most popular myths right off the bat. AI is going to steal all of our jobs. Sounds terrifying, right? Imagine robots replacing every human worker. Not so fast. According to research from the World Economic Forum, while 85 million jobs may be displaced by AI by 2025, it's also expected to create 97 million new ones. Just see, the key here is adaptation. AI is not replacing humans. It's changing the way we work. In fact, AI often takes over repetitive tasks, freeing up humans to do what we're best at: creative thinking, problem solving, and innovation. But if your job is repetitive Netflix binging, AI is not coming for you yet. Speaking of creativity, here's where it gets interesting. Myth 2. AI can be creative. We've seen AI generate art, write music, and even produce stories. So the myth is AI is creative. But here's the catch. Creativity, as we define it, is deeply human. AI can produce new combinations of existing data, but it doesn't understand emotions, purpose, or the complex human experience behind creativity. When AI generates an image or a piece of music, it's based on patterns it's learned, not a genuine creative process. In other words, AI isn't creating in the way we do, it's more like remixing. And trust me, this difference is critical when we talk about AI being sentient. More on that next. Myth 3. AI is sentient. Okay, here's a big one. Every now and then you'll hear claims that AI is becoming self-aware, or that it's developing its own consciousness. Well, it's not. Not even close. AI, even the most advanced systems, are essentially sophisticated pattern recognition machines. They mimic human conversation, but they don't understand it. AI doesn't have feelings, desires, or intentions. The chatbot that sounds so human, it's just predicting the next word based on what you've said before. So if you're worried about Siri or Alexa plotting world domination, relax. They don't even know what world domination means. But this leads us to something that might feel even more urgent. Myth 4. AI is completely objective. Many believe AI is neutral. It's just code, right? But here's the truth. AI can only be as unbiased as the data it's trained on. And guess what? Humans are the ones creating that data. When AI systems are trained on biased data, they can unintentionally reinforce harmful stereotypes, make unfair decisions, or exclude certain groups. The risk is real, and it's already happened in hiring algorithms, facial recognition technology, and more. This should make us all pause, because it's not just about technology, it's about how we, as a society, ensure fairness in an AI-driven world. Myth 5. AI is a distant future technology. Lastly, let's clear this up. AI isn't some far-off sci-fi tech that's years away from impacting our lives. It's here, right now. From the algorithms that decide what you see on social media to voice assistants to the very systems that help doctors diagnose diseases, AI is already a part of your day-to-day, even if you don't realize it. So whether we like it or not, AI is shaping our present and will definitely define our future. So what's the bottom line? AI is powerful, yes, but it's also often misunderstood. It's not here to replace us. It's here to augment what we do. The real challenge? Making sure we guide it in a way that benefits everyone. And speaking of the future, have you ever wondered how AI might impact social media influencers? Check out my video on the future of AI influencers to dive into how AI might even transform the influencer industry. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're curious about this where AI is headed. And don't forget to check out the video on AI influencers right here on the end screen.